Hello students, welcome to grade 12 biology. Before we go to today's lesson, let's revise and see the main points that we have seen in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we have seen ecological succession, and ecological succession is a change in ecosystem. We have seen primary succession and secondary succession. We have seen that primary succession starts from the scratch and it's a slow process, whereas in secondary succession is faster and there is a ecosystem, in fact, which is disrupted due to many reasons. For example, we have taken forest fire. When forest is fire, then the succession will become secondary. Today we are going to see biomes. At the end of this subtopic, you will be able to define the term biome. You will be able to name terrestrial and aquatic biomes, describe the main features of each biome, give examples of flora and fauna of each biome, plants and animals of each biome, and you will be able to appreciate the duty of care we have for the plants as well as animals of biomes, each biomes. Now let's define what is biome. Geologists and Edward Sayce first coined the term biosphere. This is biosphere. Now let's define what's biome. Biome is a geographical or regional area with a specific climate, a specific soil type, a specific animals and plants that are adapted in a similar way to the biotic conditions and environmental conditions within the area. So there are three criteria here. A specific climate, one, a specific soil type, a specific animal and plants. So this is known as a biome, geographical or regional area with specific climate, specific soil type, specific animals and plants known as biome. There are factors that determine biomes. One of the factors is temperature and the other is precipitation. There are factors, many factors. Among these, the very important factors are temperature and precipitation. Temperature and precipitation are the large determining biome. You can take together precipitation, mean annual temperature and mean annual precipitation. So this will affect the whole biomes. Now here you can see the hot deserts, and here you can see tundra, savanna, tropical dry forest, tropical evergreen forest, and the area from here is cold and the temperature will become negative and the temperature will increase here. So temperature affects and determines biomes. There are biomes that are found on low temperature and where there are biomes that are found on moderate temperature, and there are biomes that are found on hot temperature. So Arctic and alpine are on cold temperature, very cold temperature, moderate temperature, temperate deciduous forest, temperate rainforest, woodland, shrubland and grasslands are found on medium temperature or warm temperature, and tropical areas on hot temperature. Now let's see types of biomes. There are two types of biomes, terrestrial biome and aquatic biome. The difference between aquatic and terrestrial you can understand. Aquatic is an area which do not have water, and aquatic means aqua means water. The main types of terrestrial biomes are, let's see the terrestrial biomes. These terrestrial are defined by temperature, rainfall, soil type, flora and fauna, plants and animals. We have seen when we were defining biome. Biome is a geographical area that have specific plants and animals, a specific environment, a specific soil type. So temperature, rainfall are from the environment, soil type, flora, plants and fauna, animals. Overleaf gives the feature of major of terrestrial biome. So the major terrestrial biomes are, examples are found on this table. This table is found in your textbook. Desert biome is there. The temperature is hot. You can see that temperature is hot. The soil type is poor. Plants that are found on this are like succulents, like cactus and sage brush. And animals that are found are spurs, insects, arachnids, reptiles, and birds are found on desert area. When the desert becomes hot, cold, precipitation is none, temperature is cold, and soil is still poor. But the plants that are found are microorganisms and some lichens. Animals that are found are polar bears and seals, which are found in this area. You can find all the terrestrial biomes, forests, boreal forests, temperate deciduous forests, tropical mountain forests, tropical rainforests. These are biomes, and you can find precipitation and temperature, which are very important factors that influence the type of biome. Soil type, plants,